Unseen Universe! Today we have another sweet episode for you guys. Today we're doing Sour Punch! Whoa! You want to eat it? Oh my god, hold your horses, Buster. We just got started. So today we'll be taking a look at these Sour Punch. We eat these all the time. They're sour and they're sweet. They're sour and sweet. Do you like the sour? Do you like the sweet? Which one do you like? The sweet! Yeah, so we'll be taking a look at one of the blue ones. I have a small sample ready to go here, but we can take... You want a green one? Hey, you know what? Why don't we just take it out and start eating them? Yeah. Wow! Check.
Crush it!
There they are. Let's get a green one for this little guy. Look at that one.
I want a blue.
Wow! You want a blue one? Hey, we're actually taking a look at the blue one today. So let's get a blue one for you, Busteroo.
I like blue.
Oh, there's actually two blue ones stuck together. One for you.
Just crush it!
There it is. So let's start. We're going to begin at the 5X and get closer and closer while these little critters munch on their Sour Punch. Let's go! Whoa, there it is. Check that out, guys. Look at those sugar crystals.
It looks like light blue.
It looks like blue. Yes, we're looking at a blue piece of Sour Punch. And so you can see the blue. And check out those blue sugar crystals. What do you think about that? Your mouth is full. You can't talk. What about you? What do you think of those little crystals?
I like it.
Whoa, my God. Show everyone. Yeesh. You silly bitty. Uh-oh, it's too much? Oh my gosh, she's spitting it out, folks. Give us one moment. We'll be right back. And we're back. We had a momentary emergency. He ate too much Sour Punch, but he's still back to eating more.
And that is blue.
It's a blue Sour Punch. You're absolutely right. And it's very delicious and yummy. We have yellow and red and green and blue. That's delightful. And oh, it's delicious, delightful. Yeah, there's the sugar crystals. Wow, look at those crystals really stand out. It looks like a gem. They look like gems. They look like cubes. Yeah, they look like cubes. Ice cubes. They do resemble ice cubes. Hey, that's a good observation. Yeah, this is the microscope, and this helps us see really close. And in fact, I think we need to go closer. Let's go to 10x. Here we go. Whoa, now we're in even closer. Look at that ice cube crystal. Yeah, look at that ice cube crystal. It is blue. Does it remind you of anything else? No, it doesn't remind you of a single thing. It reminds me of gems. It sort of looks... It's delightful. Oh, I'm glad you like it, baby. It looks similar to the quartz crystal that we saw the other day. Doesn't it? Doesn't it look like the quartz? It's beautiful and blue. I mean, they're delicious to eat, but under the microscope, they're beautiful to look at. Yeah, they're sweet. Hey, you know what else is sweet? The subscribe and like button. Why don't you guys go ahead and please smash it? We really appreciate the support. Thank you guys for that. This is now the 10X. I really like the fine detail that's coming out in those sugar crystals.
My hands are dirty.
Your hands are dirty. Hey, it happens when you eat the Sour Punch. We'll take care of that in a little bit. Let's go to the next one. 20X is our next adventure. Let's get closer. Yeah, take another one, baby. Of course you may have another one. These critters, I tell you, once they get hooked on sugar, there's no going back. So here is 20X. Let's continue our journey. Whoa, look at that. Now we're bringing out a lot of the detail in that sugar.
Cloudy blue.
It's cloudy blue. It's a cube. It's a crystal. There's like trapezoid shapes, triangle shapes, different shapes that are coming out of this crystal. That is really interesting. So what did you guys think of the Sour Punch?
Good.
Good. What's your favorite flavor? Do you like the yellow, the blue, the green, or the red?
Blue.
The blue was your favorite flavor? Which one did you... Ah, you like those. You like many of them. You seem to like all of them. Do they even have different flavors, or are they all just artificial nonsense? I think it's just corn syrup, sugar, artificial flavoring, more sugar, and more sugar. So there you have it, everyone. We hope you enjoyed taking a look at the Sour Punch. Thank you for joining us as we continue to explore the Unseen Universe!